Hello, you're welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how you can customize the quick access toolbar in Excel. So this customization is useful when you have a frequently used command that you want to easily access via your toolbar. And I'll show you how you can do this. So the first thing that you want to do is to come on top of this very left hand side of your Excel sheet where you have this book. Here you're supposed to have the title of your sheet, your workbook, I mean. Okay, so I will click on this customize access toolbar, this stuff that looks like an arrow. Then you can see different options that I have here. So I will go to more commands. So when I come to these more commands, you can see just the same way we had our customization for the ribbon. We have options similar to that here. Now, the options I would like to add in this very example or demonstration is cut tool. So I want to add this cut tool here to the quick access toolbar. So when I click on this cut, I will just add it from here. Okay. I also want to add the option for insert function. So if I click on it, I also add. I want to add macros. Click on it, I will add. So if I decide I do not want macros again, what I will just do is to come to this remove and click on it. And it's gone. Okay. So if these are the stuffs that I want to appear in my quick access toolbar, and I'm sure of what I want, the only thing I'll do next is just to come down to this OK and click on it. Once I click on it, you can now see that it has been customized, and I have my cut here and I have my insert function here, which is what I wanted for my customization. So this is just an example of how you can be able to customize your quick access toolbar for it to be easy for you to use in Excel. And I hope this will be useful to you when you are carrying out your projects. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can be receiving content on Excels like this. Thank you so much, and do enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you in the next one.